Me and my friend are really happy here in Portugal.
Tell them about the brandy.
Oh. Well, this is a brandy. The only Portuguese brandy that Sonia can buy in the shop today. It's of course made by a famous Scottish distiller.
It is not.
And
You're bullshitting.
no, it's not. No, I'm not. It's made by Smithy and McClinery and Hubbly Bubbly.
Is it?
Yes,
Hmm.
that's what I told you. Cockburn, Smith and CIA.
Oh, okay.
Even the CIA is involved.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's got to be good.
it's gotta be good. Yep, we bought that today so we could brighten our day.
And why do we need to brighten our day?
Although it was really sunny, like 99% of the time, we had one minor shower.
Minor?
And yes, so now I decided not to go any faster. So I felt like, oh well, I'll buy her a brandy.
Sonia decided not to go any faster. That's not fair. Sonia was going as fast as she could. Superman.
Oh, zoom. Oh, look at it.
No, don't do strange things, Holden. I had this vision of cycling into Portugal with a little tank top and my short bike shorts and thinking, gee, should I put my sandals on? If the weather was okay, and that's what I expected because it's summer, so I did not expect torrential thunderstorms and rains and all the rest of it. Oh, cycling's great fun. Except when you've got Superman behind you telling you have to do more than 10 kilometres an hour up a hill.
That's not fair. You shouldn't involve the cameraman.
Why not?
Have any other comments that you want to share with all the other cyclists in the world?
If you go on a world tour, make sure you know who you're bloody going with.
Okay, I have to cut it here. Censorship. I noticed something.
What?
It's raining.
And what's the problem right at this particular point of time, Aldrich?
Problem?
Yes.
Well, I have to go to the toilet. There are about 150 meters away. And this sounds like damaging rain.
Yeah, Aldrich, we're floating here. Yeah, I'm getting it. But where did you throw it? Oh, here, I've got it. Hey?